In this video, I'll show you how to share a YouTube playlist on WhatsApp. So here's what you need to do. Now it's fairly easy to be honest, but all you need to do is find a playlist. So you can either share your playlist that you own and that you've created, or you can share somebody else's playlist. So say for example, you want to share a playlist here. So let me just type in Make Money Online and let me just give you an example of a playlist. So say if I went to filter here and I sorted for playlist, here are different playlists that come up. Now, obviously, you've probably got a playlist in mind, but I can click on a playlist and then I will click on the arrow button here, which is pointing to the right, which is the share icon. You can then either directly share it from WhatsApp, or you can click on copy link. Then you can go and open up WhatsApp yourself. Then you can find somebody to share it to and then hold down on the message, click paste, and there is a link to that playlist. If you want to share your own playlist, go to library, and then it will open up this page here. Scroll down and you'll see your own created playlists. Click on it and then you can do the same thing with the arrow here. You can share it to WhatsApp or you can copy it to your clipboard and then just share it manually.